Got a little bit of cinnamon sugar right here. Gonna add that in. Yeah. Cinnamon sugar, that's it. So you don't need a whole lot of that. Get that a good whisk. I might have to, man, I'm gonna burn my bacon because I can smell it. Smell my bacon, that ain't a good thing. Get that a good whisk. Whisk better than doggone cooking utensil, man. I'm gonna miss this place though. I'm gonna miss this place. I worked hard for this place. I worked harder to keep this place. And if there's anything I've learned from all of this is to not depend on people when you get stuck in a rut and you need somebody else to throw you a lifeline, you know. Just do what you gotta do. Stay on top of your P's and Q's. Make sure you're doing everything you have to do. But I'm gonna miss this place. It was a party every single night. Let me tell you.
If you smell
And it's starting to warm up, and here the oven is warming up automatically. The faucets are running, the couch pillows are flipping, and the lights are flashing. The cook has come home once again after a hard day of dealing with those managers, trying to whip their weight around. Well, at home the cook is king.
Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Next time, I like tomatoes and eggs. That's what's up. This is good. The eggs are fire. Make your eggs the way I did mine. They're good. When one door closes, another one opens. And this year, I am truly unlimited. I'm sick of the way things used to be. Every day is the same thing. I'm ready for something to change. So I gotta be the change that I wanna see. Till next time, it's been real. See you.